Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Star power. Hey.
We going in.
Looked in the mirror, I'm handsome. Come subscribe to my channel. I wanna be judged by the love that I give. Don't put a hater on the panel. Nah. Random. I bet niggas wanna hold me for ransom. They wanna shoot, they don't wanna shoot the fair one. But I'm too real, I'm a fair one. Here comes the man all up in your bitch eardrum. Screaming out team high, baby. Lyrix, can you be my baby? Maybe. Sweat. Come to my show so I can show out. I got tickets for your friends, no doubt. But not enough for your man, we sold out. Yeah, star power. Everybody gon' treat me different. Blowing money like nothing's expensive. I shine, I glisten. Yeah, star power. To get ready, I'ma need about an hour. So sweet, make a hater get sour. Make it rain. Shut on my merch if you mean it. Matter of fact, when you see me start screaming, I could be the man that you dream of, or I could be the nigga that you dream with. Yeah, I got a penthouse right down the block, about a 10-minute walk, isn't that convenient? But wait up, I'ma hit the maid up, I gotta make sure that she cleaned it. Yeah, on scene with a nigga like me is some shit that you gotta see to believe it. They ain't a bitch head that I can't leave with. I'm saying if I snap my finger, she's showing me cleavage. I could take her off the market when they roll out the red carpet. So let's walk it all the way to the valet where my car is. Yeah, star power. Everybody gon' treat me different. Blowing money like nothing's expensive. I shine, I glisten. Yeah, star power. To get ready, I'ma need about an hour. So sweet, make a hater get sour. Make it rain, shower.